This is the Legend AEROA. All of our kits come complete with onboard air compressor, wiring harness with Deutsch connectors, so you can plug in 3 connections and have the kit installed. It also comes with a handlebar control that operates that compressor or releases air. This here is the shock itself. It's all billet anodized with a hard coat finish. One of the unique aspects of our product is the air spring itself. It's produced with an Aramid fiber that is real similar to Kevlar, and it's almost like a bulletproof vest. The texture on here is that material that's actually vulcanized or becomes one with the rubber. So we're able to offer a lifetime warranty because of that air spring. It also maintains its diameter. Any of the other air springs you'll see will continue to grow over time and eventually fail. This will not have that. It maintains a 2% or 2 millimeter growth in diameter. All of our bodies are completely billet machined here in-house, made in the USA with a Type 3 hard coat anodized finish, so they'll last a lifetime. This particular model of Legend AEROA is our AERO-A, which has adjustable rebound. A few different scenarios that this is useful for is you can be down in this 1 or 2 range. If you're a real light rider, you'd obviously be running less air in the system, which would be a lighter spring rate. So you're going to want a little bit lighter or softer or more compliant rebound. So you're going to set on that 1 or 2 setting. 4 is real average, maybe that 200 to 300 pound rider. If you carry a passenger, you can click to this 5 or 6 because you'll be having a little bit more air pressure. And then a real aggressive rider is also going to be running on this higher end 4, 5, or 6 range on the rebound, because they'll have a higher pressure in the system to get the bike up off the road, a little stiffer spring rate to handle higher speeds in the corners, those kinds of things. Let's say you drop your passenger. You can dial it back down to maybe that 2 to 3 range when you're riding by yourself. That passenger gets back on, you need a little bit extra rebound, you bump it back up and you're set. So it's a fully adjustable system. In the rebound, in the damping, what it does is it affects our deflective disc damping inside that's velocity sensitive. So depending on how much inertia the shock takes is how much that deflective disc moves and lets the fluid flow internally. You adjust your spring rate with the air pressure and that onboard air compressor. This shock is a 13-inch and it'll collapse down to 9.5 to 10 range depending on the model of bike when you're fully lowered. So your feet can be on the ground, you can back it into parking spots, be comfortable moving the bike if you're maybe a little bit of a shorter rider.